If you're looking for a way to add extra storage to your Raspberry Pi without buying expensive gadgets, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Casteeve and you are watching SDC Tech. We're going to help you understand and build a Raspberry Pi with extra storage without buying so much expensive things. We all know that Raspberry Pi, it's really a very sophisticated and very portable and smallest computer you will ever find in the market. And today, we are going to do a DIY to combine a few things together to have your Raspberry Pi as one bulk device. You can keep it with you, go anywhere you want to go. So let's get to it. In order to complete what we are going to do, you will need few gadgets. Obviously, you will need a Raspberry Pi. You will need the hard disk extension. When you buy it, all these will come with it. And you will need other nuts. And obviously, you need a hard disk, and the size is not a problem. The size is up to you. So we're going to start with the extension. Now, the extension that I have here, it came with SATA connector. So my device is a SATA and I'm going to use that one from here. Connecting this, get your nuts, place it on them nicely. Good. Now you can see that our extension is attached to our hard disk. We are going to connect our Raspberry Pi to the device. Notice that on this extension board, we have USB port and the same also USB here. What we have to do is that make sure that the USB lines up with this one, because that is where our connection is going to take place. You're almost there. Good. Now, our hard disk is attached to the extension and our Raspberry Pi is also attached to the extension as well. Now, we need to place on our connectors, and here is our USB connectors for both devices. So, you're going to connect USB ports together. That is done. On this board, we have power supply on our Raspberry Pi already. And here also comes with a power supply. And in order for us to connect them, this is what will help us to connect them. So here, we will use these pins gently. Make sure that you don't break them or you don't curve it. You can start with this section first. Okay. And here goes it. All of these will be fine. Now, it's totally done. We're going to add extra nuts here to support this one when you are using it, to have enough ventilation for this device right now. So this is what we're going to do right now. We place our nuts here. It is very simple and straightforward. Okay, so now we have a complete four-cornered seat for this hard disk. That's it. So now let's check it and see from the computer. Thank you so much for watching SDC channel. We have come to the end of our video today. Here it's our final work and how it looks. It's very convenient and it is very cheap. You don't have to buy expensive gadgets and add it to your Raspberry Pi. This is how you add extra storage to your Raspberry Pi. Until next time, thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe, like it, comment, and click on the notification button.